Hi everyone, just a brief video on how to input midterm grades and first semester grades into Infinite Campus. Okay, so here I am logged into my account, and then I'm going to go on the left sidebar here, a little more than halfway down to a field called Post Grades. I'm going to select Post Grades, and it's going to bring me into one of my classes, and the task is midterm. If you want to start with quarter grade, all you do is go up to the little arrow drop down and go to quarter grade. It doesn't matter which one you start with. And just eyeball to make sure you're in the right term, S1, and whichever section, if you teach two sections, you want to start with. There's two ways you can do this. The first way is to go to every student individually and pop in their grade. So I'm in the midterm task right now, so these are their midterm exam grades. So I'm just going to go onto the column of grade, go to the drop down, and click on their grades for the midterm. Very simple, just go down and click the number. Don't forget to hit the save button right here on the left, right under the word term. And if you want to put comments in, you can also put comments in individually under the canned comments over here and hit the manage button. And the comments have not changed from since last year, so you could just select the comment and hit save on the bottom, and the comment will pop in there. Okay. If you want to mass populate any of your grades, you could go over here under the fill percent grade comment command, and that's if you have, say for example, most of your students got a similar grade in a test or in the quarter. Probably wouldn't happen, but if you wanted to mass populate comments, you could also do this as well. So you would select the grade, go to the drop down, hit the grade that you're going to mass populate, and right here it's going to say all students. And if you want to also mass populate the comment, you could click the comment and hit fill. And then another window will pop up. You want to fill all your students, hit OK. And if you notice here, all the grades will be populated, and all the comments, because you filled the comments as well. That's just another way of doing it, but again, don't do that unless most of your grades are the same. Once I'm done with the midterm, I want to make sure I hit the save button. If I don't hit the save button, all of this that I just did will disappear. So make sure you continually hit that save button. Now I'm ready to move on to the quarter grade task, or if you started with quarter grade, you're moving on to midterm if you have a midterm. Again, same class, just go into the drop down under grade and pop the grades in and hit save. When you're ready to move on to the next section, if you teach another section, you just go right up to the section drop down and select your next section. Window will pop up, any unsaved data will be lost, hit OK, and you're ready to start your next section's grades. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, you can try emailing me, and hopefully this is simple and straightforward, and your grades are due no later than Friday, July 27th at midnight. Have a great weekend. Thanks.